guys, how are you? I'm super excited because I received my new open-ended design headphones, my new sport headphones. So I'm super excited for try it because when I saw it, I love it because I love the design. I love the thing. They are waterproof, so I can use for run on the beach, for go to the gym. So it's time to make the unboxing and see how this works, okay? Look, this is amazing. It's really, really beautiful. I love the package. I love a lot. Honestly, they are perfect. I love it. They are super comfy for make the exercise on the gym. For use is really, really easy. Just need to take off the box and you push the headphones on your ear and you connect for the Bluetooth in your tablet, in your cell phone. So you can see it. They are really comfy and honestly, I love it. And it's super, super highly recommend these headphones. I love it.